Vehicle World has specs and reviews on the 2018 Rebel 500. This new 2018 Honda is made in Japan with an MSRP of $6,099. It has a 6-speed manual transmission and a fuel-injected parallel twin 2-cylinder engine. Specifications: engine bore, M67 compression ratio 10.7:1 cooling liquid displacement in CC471 displacement in CI28.7 engine type parallel twin starter electric stroke 66.8 valve configuration Doge. Transmission number of speeds 6 transmission type manual. Tires: front tire Dunlop registered 130 90/16, rear tire Dunlop registered 150 80/16. Brakes: front brake diameter 296, front brake type hydraulic disc, rear brake diameter 9.4, rear brake type hydraulic disc. Suspension and steering: air adjustable Inno front suspension type telescopic fork, rear adjustable rebound damping no, rear adjustable shock/spring preloads, rear suspension type at twin-sided swing arm, seat height in 27.2. Other fuel capacity: Gal 3 manufacturer, Cal entry Japan manufacturer, type cruiser, weight pounds 408, wheelbase in 58.7.